This is Venera 4, a Soviet probe about to attempt humanity's first landing on another planet, Venus. Back then, Venus was a mystery. Scientists guessed it might be somewhat Earth-like beneath its clouds, with similar pressure and mild temperatures. They were completely wrong. As the probe slammed into the atmosphere at 40,000 kilometers per hour, its parachute deployed and data started streaming back. Early readings looked familiar: pressure near 1 atmosphere, temperature around 30 degrees Celsius, but that didn't last. Pressure climbed fast, 10, then 20 atmospheres. Temperatures shot past 200 degrees Celsius. Then the probe failed and contact ended. Its final data showed conditions 22 times denser and 250 degrees hotter than Earth. Instead of backing off, the Soviets doubled down. Years later, after multiple redesigns and failures, they finally made it to the surface. But the biggest breakthrough came with Venera 14. For the first time, a microphone was sent to Venus. As the probe descended through the crushing atmosphere,
Venera 14 didn't just survive, it listened. It recorded the sound of Venus itself. And even captured audio of its drill hitting the surface.